One more snowy day, the end of March. Not much going on here today. We're pretty much staying in the house. It's kind of a mess outside. About 6 inches of snow so far. Supposed to get about 8. So we're just staying inside, but it sure is pretty. Beehives all covered. So not much to report today. Welcome to Wisconsin. 5 hours later, stopped snowing, sun's out, beautiful blue sky. Still have the beautiful snow. And it's about 40 degrees. Just gorgeous. There's Dixie today. Her wing is doing much better. She won't turn around, so this is the good sign. There we go. See, it just some feathered a little bit, but they're definitely getting back to the way they were. Good job, Dix. So with the snowy day today, I stayed inside and got a lot of things done in here. I got some sewing done that had been waiting, and I actually went through all my old recipes from my recipe box, which I get so many online now that I don't use my recipe box a lot. But I went through there and got rid of some that I knew I wouldn't use, especially now since I'm gluten and dairy free and kind of watch the sugar. But I found a couple and I thought, oh, I can make these. And so there's a couple I'm making tonight. One is a lemon teriyaki glazed chicken. And then I used to make this pasta primavera. So I saw that recipe, and then there was also a pasta with shallot sauce. So I'm kind of combining those two. So we'll see how those turn out. For the pastas, I'm using red lentil penne pasta, so it's not really, I used to use just regular spaghetti or angel hair with it, but I'm gonna see how it turns out with that. But this is I thought it was just kind of fun because these recipes are probably 30 years old that I had clipped from magazines or whatever. So this is the lemon teriyaki glazed chicken one, but mine never turn out like the pictures do, but I'm gonna give it a go. So I've got it started. So you make the sauce, and then I just put the chicken thighs in, and we got to cook that for 30 minutes, and we'll see how it turns out. Dinner's done. I used boneless, skinless chicken thighs, so I'm sure that's part of the reason. But you can thicken the sauce and use it more as a gravy. I'm choosing not to do that. They look very flavorful just as they are. And then pasta primavera with a shallot sauce, and then I just threw some Parmesan cheese in, so we'll get that stirred in. So dinner time. Right there in the center are 2 sandhill cranes. They've been hanging with us all afternoon, watching the sunset. That's Niles and Daphne. Night, guys.